coming with the part 4 video of this exercise 15.3, and here like it is about they give us data about team A and team B, and they ask us to find out which is more consistent. So whose CV is less, that team will be more consistent. And data here fortunately is of two types. One is direct data, the other one is discrete data, but the discrete data is also very small and very manageable data. So the problem as such is a manageable problem. So let's see now. Because this data is quite manageable, we have not gone to UI and DI because it's quite okay in small values we can do it. So we have left ourselves with XI and FI itself. Only when the data is very big we can go to we need to go to UI and DI. Anyhow, that's more calculation. So therefore, if things are less small data, it's always better to stick to this. So we have these respective columns. For group A, let's find out, then we'll go for group B, then we'll check the CVs. So XI squared is 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. So let's have the FIXI. It's going to be it's going to be 0 here, it's going to be 9 here, it's going to be 14 here, it's going to be 15 here, and it's going to be 12 here. And the FIXI squared we'll have to check. So that's going to be 0 here, it's going to be 9 here, it's going to be 28 here, it's going to be 45 here, and it's going to be 48 here. So we require sum of all these. Summation FI, FIXI and FIXI squared. So this is going to be 10, 17, 22, 25. Let's check this. 9 and 4, 13, 18, 20, to carry 3, 4, 5, 50. Let's check this. 8 and 9, it is 17, 22, 30. 7 and 4, 11, 12, 13, 130. So mean, let's find. Mean X bar is summation FIXI by summation FI, because we are not gone to other things. So that's coming as 50 by 25. Very coolly it is coming to 2, the same as that one. Then we have to calculate the variance. Variance by formula in this case is 1 by n squared into n is summation FI, n into summation FIXI squared minus FIXI the whole squared. So that is 1 by n for us is a summation FI. That's 25 into 25. Here it is 25 into the square, which is 130, and this is 50 into 50. I wonder we can take out 25 and a 10 out. So what will happen? This 25 and this is 25 into 2. So that is gone out. 2 is left there and 10 has come. So here it's 13 and the 0 has gone. So it's 10. Yeah. So we are left with 125 can cut. So it's 10 by 25 and a 3 is there here. Right, so 30 by 25, or you can have it cut. 5 2s are 5 5s are, so it's 6 by 5. So let's have the 6 by 5. How much is that? 5 1s are 5, 1 remainder point, 2s are 10. Yeah, so it's 1.2. Sigma, that was sigma squared, so sigma is going to be root of 1.2. So 1 1s are 1, 2 decimal point. So that will allow you to take the 20 down, but then it's not enough, having a, even if you attach a 21, then it's not enough. So that is why we will probably go in for taking 2 more zeros, and that way we can check if it is 205. Yeah, you can have a 207. Oh, you can have a 209. Yeah, so it is 1.09, which is going to be your sigma. It's always wise to check at every step so that you don't land up into a mess. So that's fine. Yeah, it's going fine and it is correct. So you have that. Now we can get across with the CV. CV we all know it's sigma by X bar into 100. So that means it is 1.09 by X bar, which is 2 into 100. So 109 by 2 actually. That's easy. 5s are 10, 4s are 8, 1 remains. So that is 54.5. Came out really easily as compared to what we have done in the earlier. Now this is good problem because you have everything ready made. We just have to find the value. So the CV here is sigma by x bar into 100. As I said, everything is ready. 1.25. X bar is 200. So it is 125 by 2, which is 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, 62.5. So 54.5 and 62.5. So that way it is very clear to us that team B is more variable, so stability is more for team A. So you can write, since CV for team A is less than CV for team B, therefore team A is more stable. They have asked us about the stability. That's about it. Then we have the fifth problem. It's again comparatively smaller problem that we'll take in the next video. Thank you.